Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2022, 17th of October. Right. So this is Monday. So I guess today is a fresh new week. We got to be careful again. Alright. So and today we are here to plan out what are we going to focus in our trading. Right. So that's right. Then here we go. Alright. Hi Hubert, DK. And Bradley, nice to see you here, right? Roger, yeah, nice to have you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so yes, now we are coming in here and let's take a look. What are we going to focus today? Okay, so can I have my MT4, please? Right, so that's done. Okay, so over at this point here, by looking at this Aussie cat, today we are going to focus about all these currency pairs is to look out for the trend, right? Is to look out for the trend, and I'm going to look out in this trend here. First thing first, understand the trend so that we can have a better trading experience later on. Okay, so at this point here, with this Aussie cat over here, okay, tentatively I'm looking at the downward trend. Okay, I'm looking at the trend is in the bear. So tentatively, I'm also wanted to see if there's a chance for me to sell. However, today, Monday, all right, so we got to be a little bit tactful because seems like we're experiencing some of the support level as we have over here, right? So let's see if we have a chance for selling, all right, or is there any chance of buying as well? Okay. So currently, okay, looking at this Aussie cat over here, we have tested on the support. Okay, so it has also created one support level over here. So by looking at this, all right, and what we can see is that tentatively, I would say that support is actually very near. All right, so coming in again here, there's another resistance level. So it's a very tight area here. So if I'm going to sell, right, I will want to see if there's a chance that it can hit on the resistance, test the resistance first, right? If not breaking above, then it started to turn down. I would like to say that we may have a chance to trade within this area of 30 pips. So Aussie cat, there's quite a good possibility of selling today. So we can actually pay attention to that, right? So if this is not, if it's actually continue to go down, then I will wait for it to break the support level over here before I take action, right? So, but today, in the first 2 hours or the first 8 hours of this market opening, seems like now is actually looking out to take out the price here to test the resistance. Then we have a chance to sell. So Aussie cat, all right, I'm going to put this Aussie cat into my selling list. All right, okay, so let's go. Well, Aussie franc. Let's take a look at Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc, today we are also in a bear, right? So the bear is still running. So I'm looking at bear. We are on the support, which is very near to the current support now. Okay, sorry, we are on the support now. Okay, so at the moment, okay, if I'm going to sell with this Aussie franc, I would want to see that there's a breaking down of the support first before I take action. Okay, so we can just take a note of this. All right, so Aussie yen. Well, for today, Aussie yen looks like the Aussie yen may have some, it has experienced the support level over here since last week. And once the market opens, it bounced back, right? So seems like today we have a retracement on the Aussie yen. So tentatively, Aussie yen, as for now, by looking at this, the resistance has no change, right? There has no change, not much of changes for this. However, okay, the resistance has been created, okay. So we can take a look, all right? We can take a look over here where the resistance now, all right, is actually over here, all right? So we can take note of this area, this level of resistance. So this level of resistance, it may be tested and then it will start to swing down. But what if it breaks the resistance above? Then no, all right? Then definitely a no. Okay, so for currently, as of now, okay, as we can see, for this, okay, we are now actually looking out for the resistance before it starts selling. So for Aussie yen, it's a similar situation whereby I'm going to look out for this resistance to be tested. If this resistance tested and it's not breaking, well, then I may have a good chance for selling. Okay. So currently, okay, by looking at this today, I will be looking at things like the chances of it testing on the resistance there is quite high. Okay, so I will want to wait for it to test on the resistance before I take action. Okay, so but then again is that in this level, okay, okay, we are actually very near to heading up with a head and shoulder here. So at the moment, okay, at the moment over here, there may be another round of creating a new resistance downwards. So that there is a chance, okay. So we also can pay attention to this level as well. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna put Aussie yen, all right, into my watch list. Okay. So next to go, Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi. Hey, what's wrong with it? Aussie Kiwi. Oops, I'm sorry. Yep, I'm very sorry. I clicked the wrong thing. Okay. Oops. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. Alright. Okay, so just give me a little while and allow you to load it up. And coming. Alright, okay, so Aussie Kiwi. Yeah, Aussie Kiwi. So for Aussie Kiwi over here, as we can see, Aussie Kiwi started last week, started a very nice drop as a pullback here, and it stopped at the support level, which we have plotted last week. Exactly the spot. So at the moment right now, I would say that Aussie Kiwi is retracement. So at the moment, okay, let's see, is there any the retracement has a retracement ended? Well, I would say that tentatively by looking at this, okay, sorry, down. Okay, so we are on the resistance. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi today we may be looking up for selling again, alright. But please remember that the support here is actually quite near, so about 28 pips away. So just take note, okay, if you're going to sell Aussie Kiwi. Alright, so for Aussie Kiwi, okay. So next to go, alright, Aussie Dollar. Well, Aussie Dollar. Next to go, Aussie Dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie Dollar. Aussie Dollar, we are still in the bear trend, alright. We are still running in the bear. However, today, same thing. Are we going to experience some of this hot area? Okay, that actually going to give us a chance of selling for at the resistance and taking our profit away from the support level. Okay, so we have to be extremely careful with this Aussie Dollar because we are actually very near to the resistance. Okay, so Aussie Dollar over here, we are right on the resistance. So tentatively, by looking at this here, okay, we are having some retracement, right? We are having some retracement. So now, okay, so we have on the support, we started to retrace upwards, and that is the one resistance up there. Okay, over here, right? This is one of the good resistance I'm looking up for. Okay, over here, this level, right? This is the level over here. And over at this point here, okay, and over at this point here, that may be another round of resistance that will be. So for Aussie Dollar, yes, we can take a look. All right, we can take a look at Aussie Dollar. Observe first. Okay, later on we will see how it goes. Right. So okay. So now let's see. Okay, let's move on to Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie over here. Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie tentatively are going for a pull. So will there be any pullback for today? Today the pullback may come in, okay, but I will suggest that we will stay away first, okay, because ultimately it is still in the pull, so not really for us. So EuroCAD. As for EuroCAD over here, EuroCAD. Well, EuroCAD, will there be a chance for selling today? I will say that the EuroCAD there may be a chance of selling because it has been pulling back for quite a while, and in fact we are actually in the bear. In the whole trend, we are looking out for the bear, correct? So right now it's actually creating another lower high over here. So at this point of time, the higher support, it seems like it met up with a resistance. It's not breaking through higher high. So at the moment, it's actually coming in as a as a selling. So I will pay attention to this. Okay, guys. So we have hit on the resistance. Now the resistance is coming back here. The support level is actually still right here, and now it's actually creating a selling trend. So I would say that for this Euro CAD, yeah, we can pay attention to that. Very nice. Okay, so I'm looking out for selling for Euro CAD today. Okay. So next to go, Euro franc. Sorry, not Euro franc, Euro yen. Yep, Euro yen. All right, Euro yen over here. Let's take a look at Euro yen. Euro yen, we are looking out for buying. So Euro yen is still good for buying. Okay, so it's still a way for seller and buyers. You can take note. All right. Next to go. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi looks like it's also in the bull. This today looks like the whole thing has started to change, had to push. Okay, so for now, okay, and for Euro Kiwi, I'm still looking out for a buy. So buyers can take note for Euro Kiwi. As for Euro Dollar, let's take a look at Euro Dollar. All right, Euro Dollar, we are in the bear trend, right? We are in the bear trend. It's very straightforward. So we are in the bear trend, and today the bear trend looks like the Euro Dollar is actually having retracement. So look out for a resistance before it continues selling, right? So the resistance has no change over up there, over the level here. So I'm still looking out for this level to actually sell, but now, okay, not now yet. So I'm just going to hang on with that, right? So will there be any chance that you will create a new lower highs here? Yes, there may be a chance. Okay, there may be a chance of creating a lower highs here. So there may be a chance when they actually come back to test onto the support level over at this point. Okay, so since that's the case, all right, since that's the case, so we also can take note of this because over here, right, over here, if we are going to take a selling, okay, make sure it has a new cycle of selling as well. Okay, if there's a new cycle of selling, then there's a possibility. Right, if not, then no for now. Okay, yeah, and Euro Dollar, yeah, okay, so dollar, right. Well, okay, let's move. Okay, then for now, okay, Euro Dollar, dollar, I guess Euro Dollar in once there. Okay, so well, Euro Dollar, yeah, I'm going to put this on my watch list. Okay, well, Pound Aussie, let's take a look. Pound Aussie looks like it's still in the bull. Now today is looks like it's having a turning back now. So let's observe this first because tentatively it doesn't have a very strong yet, but I see that now the resistance is actually there to actually hold the price down. So I would guess that there will be a good chance. Okay, right. So let's observe that first. Pound CAD. Let's take a look at Pound CAD. Well, how about Pound CAD? Pound CAD looks good because Pound CAD now after the retracement there, the whole Pound CAD we are still in the bear. Am I right? We are still in the bear. So tentatively, okay. So tentatively looking out for today, if there is a chance that it's going to retest the resistance up here, right? There's a resistance up here. Okay, so there's one resistance up here. So once it retested once there, okay, probably there may be a good chance that we may have a selling. Alternatively, it will continue the selling, right, to build up another lower highs over here so that we will see there's a chance of selling. Okay, if not, then we will hang on. So Pound CAD is something that over here, although we are still in the bull, okay, we are still in the bull. I'm waiting for it to turn down actually to see if there's a chance that they can take out. Okay, we can create this support. All right, there's a support level here, and we will see. Because right now we are in the middle of nowhere, so I will say that it's good to hang on first, observe it later, then we'll take a look. Right? Okay, how about Pound Franc? Well, Pound Franc over here, Pound Franc. Well, let's take a look at Pound Franc. The bear, all right, the bear has a retracement, and now higher support is building up. And today, until this level, it is still going for a buy. Right, it's still building a higher support. So I would say buying is still possible for Pound Franc. Okay, next to go. Pound Yen, right? Pound Yen. So So pound yen, very straightforward. Also, as in the bull run, it is running on the bull as a resistance up here, which I see as one very strong resistance. So buying still possible, but sellers have to stay away. Okay, pound Kiwi. What about pound Kiwi? Pound Kiwi over here, by looking at this pound Kiwi, we are actually looking into a buy. Okay, so currently I'm not looking selling yet. Probably this week somewhere, somehow, like the pound Kiwi is coming for selling. Alright, so tentatively, I will still stay away from selling. I will observe it before I actually go into selling trade. Okay, so buying is still possible for pound Kiwi. Right, pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, let's take a look at this pound dollar. Pound dollar, by looking at this pound dollar now, alright, we are in the bear. Seems like the bear is having some retracement also. Okay, so just need to take note. Okay, I mean, all these. Okay, so at this point here, so we can see it's actually building up a higher support, and now it's still building up a higher support. It seems like run. Okay, so the bull has started to run over at this point here. Currently, well, I will still see that for this pound dollar, there be a good chance that it's going to test on the resistance up there before it actually started. So this is one point here. So for pound dollar, I'm going to stay away for a while. All right, then let's see how it goes first before I take action. Because as I see pound dollar, there may be a good chance of testing the resistance here before it started to back down here. Okay, so let's see how is it going. Okay, then we'll decide what to do. All right, so dollar CAD. Well, as for dollar CAD, in terms of dollar CAD now, right, it has actually escalated up from last week, and now actually meeting up with one resistance over here that is going to starting to turn down. But the thing over here is that it is still in the zone that it will build a higher support, which will continue to pull, right? So there's any transition or changing of the trend yet. Okay, so currently, all these are, to me, I see that all these are pullback. So we are also in this area here. So there may be another round of buying, okay, to set up a higher support over here. So tentatively, I'm going to stay away from dollar CAD as well. Okay, so for dollar franc, very straightforward, is in the bull. So I'm not looking for any selling yet. So I'm looking for buying. Buyers can take note. For dollar yen, very straightforward. We are now on the 148. Okay, 148.7. So over here, buying is still possible for dollar yen. Okay, I'm not going to take note of this dollar yen. Okay, currently, because as I see that this dollar yen is still tentatively not in the favor. Okay, sorry, sorry for the chart. Okay, so buyers can take note. Once it retrace, once it pull back, okay, to a support level, okay, then I will see that there will be a good chance for buying. Okay, so I will still see that dollar yen is still good for buying side. All right, Bitcoin. All right, let's talk about Bitcoin. Well, in this era, the Bitcoin is coming in this and one whole new instrument. So we should also take a look at this Bitcoin, right? Yes, last week we have achieved lower than 1838 over here, which is my target here. Like I say, over here it has I plotted this area is that for Bitcoin will be fluctuating around this area for a while. Okay, so before it actually breaks above or even breaks below. So for Bitcoin, okay, for crypto traders, okay, you can take note about these two figures, okay, and see how it goes. As for Bitcoin yesterday, all right, we can see that the movement was actually quite interesting, right? And I guess this is something that also interesting in the way that it's something moving quite dead, and there's a spike, and then it has pushed down back again. All right, why is that so? Something there, okay. So to take note that all this here has been tested once, and now coming here, it's back to this area, this zone here. So tentatively, I cannot tell you there's any. I can't tell you what's the direction right now. Okay, I think probably we will need a while. Okay, for Bitcoin, if you want to trade within this range, I will say that it's still possible. Okay, so the range should be here, right, between 19405 to 19405 to about 18850. Okay, 18850 around in this area, right? Okay, so let's go. Move on with gold trading here. Well, let's take a look at gold. As of gold, okay, over here, as we can see, the gold has actually trying to find very hard for it to actually balance out the price here. As we can see, it has actually taken this action, okay, downwards to our target earlier on, as we have mentioned, right? So 1665. Then after that, we reach 43. It has our target, and now over here, where is it going now? Well, I would say that it is actually going back now, okay, for a buy. Now going back for a buy, for a short-term buy, okay, it's for a short-term buy because we are still selling. As for the gold, there's still plenty downwards opportunity, okay, so we should be selling. All right, for gold, we're moving on to selling. All right, so let's come back here. That's all for this analysis. So I'm going to summarize out and flash it out for all of you to let's see if it helps. Okay. Over here, let's take a look. What we are going to focus is selling today. Right. Later on in my London session, okay, I will also be coming in check, okay, to see if there's any changes. All right, and we will have a live trading in the London session. Right. Okay. So Aussie CAD, Aussie Yen, Aussie Kiwi, Aussie Dollar, Euro CAD, Euro Dollar. All right. Okay, so that's about all for now. Okay, later on I shall see you all in the London session, and we'll have a live trade together. Right, guys, do remember to smash the like button. Okay, and remember to stay subscribed. If you have not, do subscribe now. So I will see you in the London session, and we are going to share our view during the live stream. Okay, and we will trade together and get the profit together. Right. Thank you so much, guys. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you later in the London session. See you.